Now, when you come to the end of your purl round, it's time to bind off. We're going to move our yarn to the back of the work again between the needles. Remove the stitch marker. Binding off requires 2 stitches. So we're going to begin by just knitting the first 2 stitches. You also want to make sure you're knitting kind of loosely. Now, we're going to pass the first stitch we knit over the second stitch and off the working needle. Now that's 1 stitch bound off. Now I just have 1 stitch on the needles to work with, so I need to knit another one and then bind off by passing that first stitch over the second one. Keep those stitches nice and loose. You don't want your bind off to be tight. Now we just repeat that to the end. This is what your bind off should look like. You can see this kind of sideways row of nested stitches. When you come to your last few stitches, you'll find that there's nothing left with which to bind off. So you'll cut your yarn, take your working needle out, and draw that tail up through the last stitch. And now everything is secure. It can't come undone. All the stitches are bound off.